Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own faceless YouTube automation channel. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you'll have all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business. We'll cover everything from creating the channel, designing the logo, writing scripts, to creating our first video together. By the end of the video, you'll be a YouTube automation expert. My other faceless YouTube channel has earned over $6,500 continuously from simple to complex how-to videos. In this guide, I'll show you how to create your own faceless YouTube automation channel from scratch. We'll cover everything, including channel creation, branding, and making the video. There are 5 parts to creating a video, and I'll reveal an extra tip at the end that I've learned from managing faceless channels, which will help you make money. Typically, people will pay for YouTube courses, but I'm offering a quick and easy tutorial. Stay tuned and get comfortable, as today's session is packed with valuable information. To start, we need to create a channel and brand it. Head to your YouTube studio, click on your profile icon, switch account, view all channels, and then create a new channel. Choose a name for your channel. You can use ChatGPT to generate great name ideas. Paste the name into the name field and create a corresponding username. Next, generate a short, engaging channel description. You can also use ChatGPT for assistance, then paste it into your bio. Logo design. For this, you'll need an image editor and an AI image generator. I recommend using Leonardo AI and Canva, which are both free to use. Just sign up. Go to Leonardo AI and click on Image Creation. The new version is easy to use, and you can set your dimensions, preset style, and more. Canva will have templates for logos also. Create a logo based on your brand and generate a few images. Once you have a logo you like, download it and upload it to your YouTube studio. Video creation process. Unlike typical advice from gurus to use ChatGPT for script generation, which may often result in generic scripts, there's a better way. My secret weapon is DubDub, an all-in-one AI tool with multiple purposes. First, create an account and navigate to the homepage. Click on AI voiceover, then the Ask AI to Write button. This feature produces scripts that sound genuinely human-written and can go viral. For instance, type, "Write a script for a video called How to Create an AI Animated Character," and within seconds, you'll have a great script. You can edit it as needed, lengthening, shortening, changing the tone, or simplifying language to ensure it sounds as human as possible. For a more unique method, combine ChatGPT and DubDub. Use proven viral scripts from existing videos. Go to my channel, How to Guide 101, or any viral videos, and sort by popular videos, and copy the link of the most popular video. Back in DubDub, use the transcription feature and paste the link. In seconds, you'll get an organized, readable script. Paste the script with the prompt, but tell ChatGPT to change the words. This combination of tools can help you produce high-quality scripts efficiently. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, add, subscribe to help push this video. Voiceover production. Go back to DubDub's homepage and head to the audio section. Paste our script there. I've tested hundreds of AI voiceovers, and I think the voice named Patrick and Nicole sound authentic. Configure the settings, hit export, and choose the MP3 audio format. Voice cloning. Before we create visuals, I want to share a cool feature of DubDub, voice cloning. You can clone your own voice by uploading a sample file, letting the AI do the work while sounding like you. DubDub also offers talking avatars, which you can use to create videos without appearing on camera. If you have any questions, DubDub has a Discord server with a support team where you can access when you create your free account. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate visuals for the story. To create visuals, use Leonardo AI for this purpose. 1. Create an account. Sign up for a free account using the link in the description. You get 150 free credits per day, which is great. Image generation. Navigate to the image generation section and select any preset style to fit your vision. Generate images. Use ChatGPT to create prompts. For added realism, type in hyper-realistic or photoreal to the end or beginning of each prompt. Generate the images and select the best ones. Upload a generated picture and generate the next image. Animating images. Next, I'll show you how to animate images. Now that we have our images ready, let's animate them to elevate your video. We'll use Leonardo's built-in motion tool. Add motion. Click the Generate Motion Veto button, set the motion to around 3 to 5 and hit Generate. This process is incredibly efficient compared to a few years ago when animation was a job for professionals and could take hours. With AI tools, we can now animate pictures, write scripts, and create voiceovers within seconds. Repeat this for all images and download them. To find great non-copyrighted music for your video, head to Pixabay, or if you have a subscription for Pictory, it has free music also. Search for the perfect genre for your video and download the track you like. Editing your video. With the script, voiceover from DubDub, and animated images from Leonardo, we can start editing. Use any editing software you prefer. You can use CapCut for free or Pictory and Adobe Premiere Pro for a fee. Create a new project. Start a new project file in your editing software. Editing your video. Import assets, import the voiceover from DubDub, all the animated pictures, and the music track. The next step is editing the voiceover to remove any pauses. This is crucial for maintaining viewer engagement. Remove pauses. Click on the voiceover track. Click on the empty audio section and hit Delete. Drag the remaining audio over to remove the gap. Adding effects. Enhance visuals. To make the video look extra clean, go to the Effects section in CapCut. Looping and final touches. Create compound clip. Select all visuals, excluding voiceover and music, and create a compound clip by right-clicking and selecting Create Compound Clip. Copy and paste the newly created clip to fit the length of the voiceover. Remember to add auto captions. Go to the text section and hit Auto Captions. Select the font and color you prefer under the basic settings. Uploading and thumbnail creation. Go to your channel, hit Upload, and select your video. Go to Canva, type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar, and create a project file with the right dimensions. SEO optimization. Go to VidIQ, a favorite tool for SEO and research, link in the description. Click on keywords and type in the words, phrase, or even question that fits your YouTube video. VidIQ can also generate a captivating and description title using trending keywords. Monetization methods. Publishing the video. Finally, hit publish and your first video is live. To monetize, aim for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The more watch hours you get, the more YouTube will pay you. Once monetized, expect a high RPM. Within a few weeks of launching, aim to earn a few $1,000s per month from ad revenue. Creating your own print-on-demand brand. Sell merchandise with your brand, such as t-shirts, mugs, etc., featuring AI-generated images. Setting up a print-on-demand shop is easy with AI tools, and it can be a significant income stream. Check out my video on how to make money with print-on-demand in the description below. Superfans and merch. Some viewers might become superfans who love your AI-generated images and could potentially buy your merchandise. Enthusiastic followers will also support your brand. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products. Consider promoting products related to your niche, like books from Amazon, through affiliate marketing. check out my video on making money with Amazon KDP. The opportunities are vast, and you can get creative with the types of products you promote. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI in content creation and passive income, check out my channel, which is packed with money-making strategies, side hustles, and even high-paying remote jobs that require no experience. Subscribe to the channel for more content and updates. Check out the description below for other passive income videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.